Alright, today we're gonna draw Baby Yoda and his friend Mandalorian, okay? Ready? Let's start with Baby Yoda. So his head is an oval. Alright, so we're gonna do one curved line near the top here, okay? Look where my pen marker is. It's near the middle. Okay? So just one curve. Okay, yeah, you need to hold on to your clipboard. Clipboard is sliding around a lot, okay? Okay, so we're gonna, from here, we're gonna draw one line across like this, about this long for his ear, okay? Okay, good, stop. Okay. And then this side. What?
Is he an animal?
He's a Jedi. Okay, alright. Can you draw the other side here?
Jedis have ears?
Yeah, they're kind of like people, like space people, okay? Okay, straight. Okay, stop. Okay. And the curve, so it comes down here. So it's pointy. Okay, can you do that? Stop. Very good. Okay, and then see this side, same thing. So it comes down. Okay, no, so see, look. His left ear and right ear looks the same. So what you drew is not the same, right? So we're going to erase this. So you're going to draw the same on both sides, okay? Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
You got to hold on to your clipboard. You see how it's moving? Okay. Now we're going to draw his chin. Like that. Okay. And then he's got big black oval eyes. So near the top in the middle, we're going to draw two big ovals. Very good. And we're going to have a little circle in the middle. And we're going to color the rest black, okay? Good job, Charlotte. Gonna get eyebrow? Eyebrow. Okay, so eyebrow. Okay, and then a couple short ones on top, okay? In the middle. Okay. Okay, and then we'll draw his nose. Do you remember how you did nose yesterday, Charlotte? Do you remember how you did nose?
Mm-hmm.
The nose was, hey, down here, okay? You do the small one in the middle first. And then we do the left.
You don't have to teach me. No.
We do the right. And then we do the middle. Okay? And we'll draw his mouth. Not very big. Small mouth. Okay. Very good. So for the cloak that he's wearing, we're going to draw the neck part first. Okay? So down here, draw a line. Down here, you draw a line. And then we're going to connect this. Line here, okay? Curve to the left. Okay, very good. And now we're going to draw his arm. You see his arm here? Can you follow along? Nope. It's down here. Yep. Okay, go back. Okay, very good. And then this line is going to come in here a little bit until it reaches over here. Can you look at my drawing, Charlotte? Okay, it's a curve. And it's going to go across. A little bit of wave in the middle. Okay, and then we'll curve back up. Okay, so now we're going to draw the other arm. Okay, look at my drawing. Look at how long and how tall it goes. Look over here. Go up. Okay, stop. Okay, now we're going to connect it to his neck. And then this line here, we're going to draw it down the middle, okay? This line right here goes down the middle. Okay, very good. So that's Yoda, Baby Yoda, okay? Oh, from his hands. I can't forget his hands.
I do a little.
He has small hands because he's a baby. Oh, we're going to draw his friend, the Mandalorian, okay? Mandalorian always wears a helmet. Alright, so we're going to do the helmet is going to be, the top is half a circle, okay? So take a look at where my position is, okay? Because we don't want to run out of space. There we go, half a circle. Alright, and then now we're going to draw his sunglasses, okay? So we're going to do a little line here, little line here. And then you're gonna do the same thing on this side. You're gonna draw a little bit of line down. Okay, stop. Okay. Then we're gonna connect them here on top. On top. Look carefully. On top.
See how slow it goes.
Good job. So
It's
here,
really straight.
so this is a little bit slanted down. Okay, so take a look. You see this? And then we're gonna draw a triangle here. Okay, so this is gonna be like this. A very skinny triangle in the middle. And now we're gonna draw the side. Okay, let's do the left side here. Down here. Not all the way down. Yeah, not all the way down. Because this next line is slanted like this one. Okay? So not all the way down, slanted. Okay? And now I'm going to add a curvy line, okay? This is a little bit tricky. From this corner down here, I'm going to do a curvy line, like a rainbow. And then from here, we're going to do a rainbow. Go up. From here, you're going to draw all the way to the bottom. Straight line. Straight. From here, you're going to draw all the way to the bottom. Straight. Okay, so from the middle here, you have the curved line. Good job. And then here, you have a curved line. Okay. And now we're going to draw his body, okay? So his body is going to be another straight line. And then another one on the right. And we'll connect. And this is where his belt is going to be, okay? And then now you're going to draw his leg. So you're running out of space. So half of this is going to be his leg, okay? So you draw a rectangle like this, half. Or a square, I mean. So, start, very good. Go longer. You can go a little bit longer because his leg is bigger than that, okay?
But you do it, can erase that part. I'll do Simmer's other.
You can draw little boots for him, kind of like Santa.
I'll just... He's doing this.
You can draw that part a little bit bigger, okay?
What about his arms?
Oh, we'll draw his arms next, but can you draw his foot bigger? So the left foot and the right foot is the same size? Okay, so his right foot is going to point to the right, and his left foot is going to point to the left. There you go. All right, now we're going to draw his arms, okay? His arm, we're going to draw the same way as Baby Yoda. We'll come out and go back in. Down here. That's his head. So your arms are on your shoulder, right? So you come down here, coming down, and then go back in. Hold on to the clipboard. Same thing on the right. I'm going to draw an arm. Okay. All right, and then we're going to draw his belt. He's got a belt here, and it's got a square in the middle. Okay, that's his belt. Okay, and we'll draw his hands. And he has a little buckle here, a little square sticking out.
Excuse me, can I tell you something?
No, you can tell me after we're done, okay?
His hand is small because he put it far
Okay,
away.
very good.
Push it
So his belt, you're gonna have a little rectangle on the side, okay? Here he has some tools hanging, so I'm gonna draw a rectangle like this. Okay, you can draw that rectangle on the.
I'm gonna do it twice.
Okay, and then great, and then he's holding a gun. So we're gonna draw a gun. So gun, you draw a stick. Okay, you can make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Rectangle. Okay. Good job. And then there's another smaller rectangle in front of it. And he's got a little shoulder pad here, so I'm gonna draw a little half circle. Okay, just a little half circle. Very good. And then another half circle here. All right. And then he has a little shoulder belt. So you just connect his shoulder here.
I know what you mean, Daddy. I don't have to look.
And there's a few gadgets on there too.
Mine's gonna be really special.
Mm-hmm.
This one's really special.
Okay, can you stay inside the line though? See how you're outside the line?
That's the special part.
Good job.
And
All
this
right.
is the really special one. This
Okay,
is
sure.
supposed to be sticking out.
Okay, and now we're gonna color it, okay?